Hey everyone, are you ready to learn about the human barometer method? It's a unique way to get people moving and talking about important topics.
I'm Yuri and this is Elena. Today we are talking about how the human barometer works. It's a fantastic method to gauge opinions on various statements and see where people stand literally.
Here how it goes. You start with a big room and place signs on the opposite ends. One for I agree and the other one for I disagree. In between you can stand anywhere based on your opinion. It's like a spectrum of agreement.
During the session, a facilitator reads out statements and everyone moves to the spot that matches their view. It's a great way to see the diversity of opinion and spark conversation about why people choose to stand where they do.
And the best part? It's interactive and fun. You get to see how different people interpret the same statements. Plus, it encourages healthy discussions and helps breaks the ice in the group setting.
If you want to dive deeper into the human barometer method and see the types of statements used, check out the documents linked below. It has all the details and some sample statements you can use in your own session.
Thanks for watching us, and if you enjoyed this method, make sure to check also the other methods we have on this project. Youth All Inclusive is always with you. See you next time!